Shani. It is Thursday, January 16th, just after 8 p.m. I'm about to take a look at GJ. I done switched my chart up. I done tried the candles solid color before. But I went with this kind of like cream color because it ain't too bright. That be the thing, man. You staring at this shit for any amount of time. You feel me? A strain on your eyes. That's the tough part. Trying to find something that's decent on your eyes. So, boom. I'm about to break GJ down. We'll actually close this. Give us a little more working space. Because if I'm not mistaken, my camera right here, I can't really see. I definitely need a PC. The laptop just cannot keep up with everything that I'm trying to do. I'm looking to build one for real. Probably be cheaper for me. Alright, so boom. That's what we're working with. Keep it simple, stupid. I like this one. That one. That one. Alright, that's cool. Alright, that look good to me. We drop down to the wheat. They don't love you like I love you. I don't know why that is stuck in my head. I don't even know what it's from. I ain't gonna lie, I don't feel in love with I got one of them 32-inch curved monitors. If you gonna trade for real, that's the best way to look at them. And the monitor's not even it's a $200 monitor. I mean, $200 is a chunk of change. I'm not saying $200 isn't a lot of money. But the way, charting up on this, man, I ain't did this in a minute. My eyes hurt looking at this screen. Trying to chart up on the screen like I'm used to doing it on this big monitor now. So I'm saying I recommend if you have it, buy it. Like if you've been contemplating, should I make the decision about pull the trigger, do it if you got the money. Ain't bad. Actually, we're gonna keep it at that. Got some decent price action right here too. I don't want to go too crazy because I don't want the chart to get flooded. You know what I mean? And it's just ugly. See, this monthly looks nice. This one really does too. I ain't gonna lie. I swear to God, most of the time, your monthlies and your weeklies gonna line up pretty nicely. Except these two. And this one. Alright. Alright. I'm saying, so it's, damn. Whole time, let's see. Oh, no, you can see. Bet. Um, so we still pretty relatively clean. I mean, it look kind of messy, but we still on a higher time frame. So this is a lot of price action right here. Each one of these candles is a week, so it's a lot going on deeper inside there. Drop down to the day. And the deeper I get in, the less I'm looking left. Like, this is a lot. It's a month. It's over a month of data right here. That's a lot of data. Each one of these candles are a day. A lot of data in these candles. So we're gonna look left, but not as far left. The deeper or the lower in the time frames we go. And this is where you kind of want to slow down, because now you could go crazy. I mean, there's crazy amount of levels that I could point out that my eyes just run to. That's why you kind of want to play with the zoom or the X and the Y axis and whatever the technical terms for those are. Use, I don't know what it is on PC, but on Mac, if you have a Mac, use the command button to pinpoint your zooms too. The scroll mouse is a must. The pad is, I mean, at least for me, takes too long. I mean, I can do it, but that's just, you push. I just don't like the pad. I don't like the pad. You can, it's possible, but I can move around on the chart way faster. And I swear, man, this is ass on the laptop on this small screen. I'm saying you can fit so much data on these. It don't even gotta be curved, man, but it definitely gotta be. If you got a smart TV, get you an HDMI converter, the cable, put it on the TV. It's so much easier to see the charts and to recognize patterns on the larger screen. At least for me, I'm just saying, try it out. I bet. I ain't getting nothing on the day. I'm tripping. I don't really see a whole lot. There's already a lot going on. I might jump down and go down a little more, you feel me? We definitely consolidating like crazy. In the uptrend though. Let's get it here. We get the trend off. We get this trend off this 4 hour. Double tap. Maybe. So, I mean, if this is the case, I would expect consolidation to continue. But that's a crazy range though. Like that's not even a scalpel. That's an intraday range. Yeah, that's 97 points, 100 points. That's a little bigger than a scalp. I mean, I do know people that I guess essentially scalp 100 points. I don't know. Boom. Yeah, we gonna do that like that. Cause that is a day level. Let me throw it in there. It just stands out to me. I'll put one here too. And see, my level of clutteredness and yours is gonna be different. That's the thing. You just gotta be aware. Control what you can control. Now we are definitely getting messy. Definitely getting messy. Once we start dialing in though, the lines will start separating more. We'll start getting a clearer picture of where we at. We know that dotted line is the trend from the day, the daily time frame, which we're respecting. Look at that, price slowed down crazy approaching it. Like it didn't want to mess with it. Then came up here and rejected off of the monthly and weekly. So we'll see. I don't know. Let's see. We shall see. And then look, I mean, you can find trends and patterns everywhere. That ain't what I want to do. I gotta go make dinner, man. But we create market structure. But even following this, we don't create lower lows. We haven't created a new lower low. We've created higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Double top, higher low, higher high, higher low. Double top. And we took out, we tanked. We ain't tanked. We dropped off. Definitely dropped off lower than this, which would have been that would have been the previous low. Definitely tanked off of that. Triple top? Is that what we're going to call that? Failed to make a lower low. We're still following trend currently. We have not made a lower low as of now. So hopefully it continues to stay like that. I gotta take these off the chart because this is driving me crazy. Yeah, that's a lot better. Alright. Forwards. That look good. You see that? Hey, yo. Dropping on the lower time frames. Deeper we get, the more bearish it looks. She's still holding this real nice though. I ain't taking no more trades either till I get on with Randy now tonight. I got tapped tonight. I mean, not really. I lost like $4 or $5, but so that's the thing. I'm tired of. I think it was Rob was the first person I heard say that shit, but I'm tired of losing money. Shit. I'm tired of losing money, and the reason I'm losing money is because I won't fucking wait. Not even just so that was the thing. I be struggling to take their trades, man, because I can't. That's like letting the nigga spend your money, man. That's like you getting your check and then giving it to your buddy on payday. As soon as you get it, you give it to your buddy, and he pay for everything for your life. Like, nigga, what? Nigga, it's my money, nigga, and bro, you ain't doing nothing but the same thing. Like, respectfully, you making an educated guess is all you doing. You feel me? How many cases where doctors fuck people up when they go into surgery and shit like that? Like, mistakes happen. Like, players fuck up too. So that's the thing. I like the confluence. That's why I pay for the motherfucker. And they solid in that motherfucker for the most part. There's some shiesty motherfuckers in there though, for sure. That shit was funny. Alright, boom, let's get back to these charts, man. Fuck that shit. But yeah, I definitely lost a couple dollars tonight. One trade was break even. So I think I took 3, but one trade was break even, which was crazy. I hit for a 1 to 2. Didn't take any money because I'm only doing 1,000 contracts, which is it's essentially a 0.01. So it ain't like I could have took partials or nothing like that. It is what it is. Tease with the tease. Alright. We don't need a whole lot more. Got a minute left on this 30-minute. See if she gonna hold it. If she hold it, that's gonna make this one. It's gonna create a demand right there. In my opinion, that's the 3rd time it didn't break. I'd be willing to, let's see how many points that is. 34. Is that what that is? Yeah, because that's a 10-point stop. So 30 points to the first target. Let's see. I'm just seeing if I can get my 1 to 3 with a 10-point stop. That's what I look for. I want to run 10-point stops. So I'm looking to gain 30 points 30-minute close. Respected that. I almost want to get back in. Let's get back in. Let's get back in. I ain't even gonna get in on this. Gotta get in on my phone. I forgot. Alright, now we can manage it from here. Point stops. I don't necessarily put a hard TP because if it blows past, it didn't feel me up till up here. If it blows past my TP, if it blows past my TP, I can make the money. So I ain't gonna lie. Realistically, look, here goes. This is another area of interest right here. This would be another target for me. That's on a 30-minute. You feel me? Like, this is why you don't want a whole lot going on in your chart, because once you get deeper into the smaller time frames, it do get crazy. You feel me? We holding a little profit. It's not bad. Look, this right here is the liquidity sweep, in my opinion. Price was shot down here to pick up orders. That's what's down here. People stop losses. People money. Look, that's what. Where'd it go? There's money down here. There's money over here. And look, once it did that, what'd it do? It shot clean the fuck up. I'm expecting it to possibly do that again. And how much did it shoot up last time? From this last one. From the bottom of the wick to the top. The highest point, that's 100 points. It'd be nice to squeeze it, even if it was just 50 points. Let's say it was just half. 50 points is my 1 to 3. Almost. That's 50 points. I think this is a valid trade. We holding a decent profit too. This is a valid trade actually. What time is it? 8:30. I think Tokyo starts at 7. But see, with the volatility though, comes the uncertainty. Like, you see, it was up 30 cent. We right back to 5. Now we jump back up to 24. But that's holding this demand down here. Price is definitely holding this demand down here. We only risking 64 cent. We'll see. We got a couple targets. You feel me? Let's see what happens. This where the patience come in here. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, actually. Where we at? 30 minutes. Let's get down a little deeper and we can start managing this trade, actually. So that's the thing. The deeper you go into it, the more you can kind of get an idea of what the story is being told. See, look, I almost got stopped out. You feel me? On the deeper, you get deeper into the time frame, you see more of the story. Like I was almost stopped out. We get it. This was a fresh candle. I like that. That previous candle held above. I do not like the crazy top wicks. I don't remember which candle I got in. It looked like right here, actually. We might be all right. We failed to, yeah, because I definitely got in before this low. This is that sweep I was talking about. That big long wick where I said what the money was here. What was it on? 4 hour? Yeah, right. Yes. That's what that is. That's what that is. This skinny wick right here is this price action. All of this right here is what created that wick. You see what I'm saying? We failed. It's like my stop loss. Look at that hour mark. The hour area of interest that I marked out on the higher time frame. Bounced right off of that. And shot up. And look what it did. It did that previously, right here. How far did it go? $30 points. What I'm shooting for. But that was from down there. We might be though. We look, this trade looking decent. This trade looking decent. It's looking decent though. But look, the first trade, and see, I didn't have my new chart set up yet. I didn't have all the settings in there like I wanted it yet, so I wasn't even recording. You feel me? But it is what it is. It is what it is. And it still could flip. Like I said, this shit. Thank you. Thank you. Whew. Yeah, it could still flip, but it looks like she might be alright. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go in here and make dinner. I'll jump back when I see what happens. Damn, see, that's where I need to build the discipline, man. That's 30 points. 1 to 3. Don't be greedy, nigga. Just get your 30 points. I need to think about the numbers, nigga. That's what it is, man. Get off of the dollar amount. Think about the percentages. Cause then you dig what I'm saying. So if I can confirm, not even confirm, but almost, it's like practicing. I would imagine this is how people who play basketball do with free throws. You sit at the free throw line and then you shoot free throws as many times as you got to until you feel like you got it perfect. And so look, what's that? $1.93. That's double my money. That's more than double. That's triple my money. That's 3 times my money. That's not bad. And nigga, I can find these plays several times a day. I did it twice today. I just didn't take the money. Cause it's small. That's crazy. But nigga, I lose $4. I won't take the $2. Like this half of what I lost. You crazy, Ed. And this is actually hard to do because of this area right here. This resistance. Like this is still a tough trade. This on the 30-minute. We'll see. I think this might smack. Smackety smack. Look, she pushing. She pushing. She's still having trouble trying to break it. Stuck. Right here. Still. And we about at the halfway mark. She pushed up half of this 30-minute candle, which isn't a good sign. That leaves the other half of the candle to go in the opposite direction. Unless it's gonna break like we need it to break right now. I mean like this whole candle right here I like to the upside. It's followed by this one as well. We'll see. Damn, that's it, man. I keep trying to get rich off a fucking $100 account, nigga. That shit's never gonna fucking happen. Damn, I just cracked this motherfucker. Even if this trade don't play out, cause real shit, if with the right balance, nigga, this 42 cent would be $4,200 with the right balance. Come on, shoot up here. that's the thing, man. Like, if you get up and take your ass to work every day, you're not tripping off losing 64 cents. I don't give a fuck who you are. If you pay some sort of type of bill or something, anything that you got, if you have financial responsibilities, if you can't lose 64 cents, you're tripping. What I'm struggling with is my pride in a way and won't let me win $1.93. That's the crazy part. That's the crazy part. But we gonna change it though. That's the thing. Once you make yourself aware of it, and then just change it, man. Or once you're aware of it, flip it. It ain't rocket science. Like I ain't gonna lie. Don't fault yourself for some shit you didn't understand or for something you ain't know. But you need to be making sure you trying to figure it out though. That's the only difference. Trying to figure it out, however that means for you. Figure that shit out. And then risk management. Like I said, I should have. I guess this wouldn't be over trading because that's what the money is there for, was for me to learn how to trade. Like I said, I'm not gonna, this $100, I don't got time to take oh shit, I don't got time to take the $100 to $1 million. Like I don't have that kind of strategy right now. Cause I can't full port. First of all, Forex.com don't let you full port shit. And because of this account, the type of account it is, I can only risk 1,000 contracts currently because of my account balance. That's what I'm saying, man. That's the only cheat code. The account balance is the only cheat code in this game. And look where we back at. We came down all the way back down to break even. That's why I didn't put the trade in break even, because we just didn't come far enough. We did on this, but I wasn't in the trade on this candle. I don't believe. I don't know. The trade is definitely still valid, in my opinion. So we gonna ride it out. I'm holding this stop loss for sure. Like, I'll lose the 64 cents. We're definitely not getting out. And see, that's the thing, man. You gotta. The whole thing of it's about training your mental. It's about training yourself to not even care if it gets stops out. It doesn't even matter how much money it is. The money's not what's important. What I want to know is I can verify that I'm getting real good at seeing which way and where price want to go based off of what's happened. Based off of what's happened to the left. That's why I was talking about the monitor is so important, because like even right now, I could see so much. I'm gonna take a picture of it. I would be able to see so much more of price if I was on my monitor. So I'm actually taking the video. Now imagine how much more price I could see to the left if I had that monitor on. That's what I'm saying makes a difference. This shit hurt my eyes for real, I ain't even gonna lie. She do kind of look like she moving to the south side, actually. So we'll see though. There she go. And then you know what I didn't do is see if there was news. It's tripping. That's when my computer is struggling to keep up, man. It's no bueno. Alright, that works right there. Thing already. It smelled like it was on fire, boy. Oof. She might dump, boy. She might dump. And I can't remember what I was going to look up. That's terrible. What was I going to look up? Stupid. We were talking about the monitor. Oh, that's definitely what we can look up, though. How much that monitor is. I'm going to be shitty if it's cheaper now. I'm not sponsored. I wish I was, though. Did I get the 32 or the 42? I don't even remember. I think it was the 32. Come on. I can't remember originally what I got on here to look up for real. Ultra wide. That cannot be it. That is not the one I got. It's definitely the LG ultra wide. It ain't the $800 one though. That's for damn sure. Damn, maybe I caught that bitch on sale. Let's go. Let's go. It's crazy. Yeah, we still holding in there. Maybe I got this on sale, man. I don't know. Go check it out, though. I'm about to go start dinner. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I gotta get an Ed Reddit sign for this when I'm going to dinner. When I gotta go do something. And then I'll fast forward or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. We'll see what happens. Looking nice, looking nice, looking nice. killing yourself. Don't cut the root. Where y'all mamas at, man? That's crazy. She want it. Why she playing with me? Come on. Nice. Nice. Man, we was almost there. We were almost there. $3 minutes left on this 30 minute or 3 seconds left. Definitely close bullish engulfing. I think with this, I think we might be able to smack this bad boy. I think we hit this one on the head, man. She might even run up here. She might even come to take these. Take out these highs. There's no wick on this candle. There's no top wick. We definitely come. Oh, we'll see. She already swept that. No, she didn't. So we need to come back up here. We need to come back up here. Alright, we gonna hold that. Let me go get back to my whipping. Look at the ring. Get up there, baby. She holding right there too. Look. Got 2.5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I'd like to see her above that, the 190, 125. That would be ideal. Looks like half of that candle was spent going bearish, which would leave time for this to go bullish. The second half of the candle. I'd like to see it above this. This is where we're struggling right now. Let's see. Let's get this one up here. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Come on, baby. Oh, this is nice, man. So look, it feel good when you can finally. It's like it's a confirmation. You feel me? Like I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Don't look at the dollar sign. The dollar sign is not what is important right now. Come on, let me hear that noise. Let me hear that bell. Let me hear that bell. We got enough time to flip back though. That's the thing. We don't have any closure. I need closure above this. Or tap me out, you feel me? At least get up here and tap me out. Closure would be nice. If you're not gonna run it in this candle, close above 190, 146. That's crazy. We 20 cents away from TP. She got it. She got that. And if she don't, you feel me? It is what it is. If she don't, then we'll start finding the exit strategy. We'll start finding our way out of here. Closure above. That's what I want to see. Come on. Barely, but it was enough. It was enough for me. It was enough for me to still be super confident in this trade. For sure. Come on, push it on up there. All right, we're gonna finish our business. Let me get you back in the screen. All right, I'm about to go finish my dinner. Beautiful. And it does look like she's going to continue to run. But I will take my 30 points. No problem. No problem at all. I will take my 30 points. And so, let's see. That would have been 15 minutes. A lot longer than I want it to be. A lot longer than I want it to be. But we'll take it. An hour and a half. So don't look at the dollar signs, but in an hour and a half, I was able to 3 times my money. That's what I'm looking at. Within an hour and a half, I was able to 3x my money. That's what I'm paying attention to. So boom. I'm about to get off of here. Go finish cooking my dinner. I still think that thing gonna run all the way up there. I still think it'll come up here.